Hello and welcome. In order to make sure that your team gets all of the updates that are due for their particular project, you're going to want to make sure that they are subscribed to either boards, lists, or cards that they are involved in. In order to be subscribed to a particular board, all you'll need to do is to go to Show Menu, and then you'll click the More button. Then you'll click this link that says Watch. You'll see there that this list will then have a check mark by it. That means then that you are watching this board where we are. Now, in order to watch a list, all you'll need to do is to go to the right-hand side menu at the top, and you'll see a watch designation in that list, and you'll click it. You'll see the check mark there, and then you will then be watching that list. Lastly, you can watch an individual card, or you can require your teammates to watch an individual card in the very same way. So we click inside of the card, and you'll notice that there is an icon there and a link that says Watch. We'll click that link. You are then watching this card and all of the activity and discussion that revolves around it. Now, in order to make sure that your team is getting all of the updates, again, you want to set up a policy so that the activity that they are directly involved in, that they are watching all of the updates for that particular list, card, or board. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.